Hello. Today we're headed to the Orchid to load up what we need for our first event of the year 2026, Buellton Wine and Chili. Now we're gonna load up the ladders. We're gonna load up the fabrics. We're gonna load up the bins. Being that this festival is the first of the season, we're gonna get into this trailer right now. We're gonna make sure everything's good. We're gonna make sure the tires are good. We're gonna make sure the trailer is ready to roll. Filling the back airbags with 90 pounds of PSI, and we're jacking up the back to get some air into those trailer tires. Things are going well.
And we have arrived at build site. We have established the first structure by the stage, now putting the fabric in. Now on to the second structure. Now that we're complete with the two structures, we'll put up the entrance banners and be set for the event.
Welcome to the Buellton Wine and Chili Fest. Thanks for joining us. See you at the next event.